But what about the new talent, right? Because we need so much new talent into this industry. If it's young or older, it's fine, right? But there's a lot of open roles right now. So what's some of the challenges you see, especially if we should talk about the younger talent coming in?
I would say the biggest challenge is that people, and when I was young talent, I didn't know what manufacturing, I kind of knew what manufacturing was, but I certainly didn't know what distribution was. So I think some of the things that organizations are doing to bring in apprentice-level people to learn, or bring in interns, or larger organizations like the ECIA, I know they have brought in young people just starting out in their careers and brought them out to the big trade show, EBS, that's every May, and really trying to capture them and educate them and get them excited. Right?
Yeah. It's so important because I think you can. When you talk to somebody, right, and now that we're chatting as well here, right, we're getting excited, right, and we can see, if it's automation, right, or if it's aerospace, or if it's anything, robotics, right, we can see, how exciting it is. But somebody coming outside in and don't know how everything is connected, they can be like, what's actually that great about it?
Sure. I would say if you have ever perfected the elevator pitch for what we do for a living, I would love to hear it, because it's hard to explain to those not in our business, what do we do? Right?
That's a good one. Maybe that should be my, the last question, right? Give me a deal.
Right.
People will freeze, like, no.
Right. Yeah.
If you like Mind Innovation, don't forget to subscribe, rate, and share the show wherever you get your podcast. You can follow Sannah Vinding and Mind Innovation on Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. And make sure to check out mindinnovation.com. Stay curious and keep learning. See you next time.